Hello scholars, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and healthy. Scholars, here I am with our video 2 of chapter 11 Force and Energy. Have you watched video 1? If yes, very good. If no, please watch it before this video. Okay. So, what we have learned in video 1? In video 1, we have learnt about one of the types of force, that is the frictional force or friction. In this video, we are going to talk about two more types of forces. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. Scholars, second is magnetic force or magnetism. Now if we see the word magnetism or magnetic force, it has one word, which is the magnet. Okay, so what is this magnetism means? When the materials or the objects which are made of iron or nickel, when they are kept near the magnet attracts them. So, this special property of pulling objects made of iron and nickel by the magnet is called as the magnetic force. So, magnetism is a force by which magnet attracts the objects. Here you can see in the picture there is a magnet and you can see iron nails are attached to the magnet. How they are attached? Because magnet has attracted them. Magnet has pulled these iron nails towards itself. But scholars, what we have to remember that this magnetism property, it is only observed in the magnet, and only the objects which are made of iron and nickel only get attracted towards the magnet. If the objects are made of paper, plastic or wood, they won't get attracted towards the magnet. Okay, so this is the magnetic force. Here in this picture as well you can see the paper clips are attracted by the magnet, and this attraction of these objects made of iron and nickel is called as the magnetic force or magnetism. Now our next type of force is gravitational force or gravity. Scholar, the first picture is of the apple tree. Okay, and what you can see there, so many apples are fallen down on the floor. Okay, now if I take one name, okay, then will you tell me that do you know that name? And that name is of the great scientist, that is Sir Isaac Newton. Do you know the story of Isaac Newton about the apple? If no, let me tell you in short. When Isaac Newton was young, at that time he was sitting under the apple tree. Then one apple fell on his head. After falling the apple on his head, Sir Isaac Newton started thinking. What? He started thinking, why this apple fell down only? Why it is not going up? What is there which is attracting this apple towards down? And then he started researching, he started studying on it, and he gave us the laws of gravitation or the laws of gravity. So scholars, gravitational force or gravity makes all the objects, all the things to come down. That's why because of this gravity you can see all the apples, they are falling down. And here the boy is throwing a ball up. Do you think this ball will go up in the air? So this ball is going to come down. And who is responsible for it? Yes, it's the gravitational force. But what does it mean? What is the definition of gravitational force? Let's see. Gravitational force is the force of attraction. And who is responsible for this? Yes, it's our Earth. Earth pulls all the objects towards its center. And this force of attraction is called gravitational force or gravity. Scholar, in gravitational force, who is attracting the object towards? It is the Earth. And what we have seen in previous type, magnetic force, so who is attracting the objects? It is the magnet. Now scholars, here you can see the two pictures. In the first picture, okay, the man is riding bicycle, okay, in the upward direction, okay, and in the second picture he is riding a bicycle in the downward direction. What do you think? Who is going to who is going to get tired? You know, or many of time you might have also feel like that. So if we see the one who is moving uphill is going to get tired. Why? Because Earth pulls all the object towards itself and therefore it becomes hard to move uphill. Okay, but in the second situation what happened? There is a biking downhill and it makes the speed of the bike faster. Why? Because Earth keeps pulling us down towards itself. Okay, so what we learned that when we are moving up, actually we feel it is hard, okay, to bike uphill, whereas it is easy to bike downhill. Scholar, here's a picture of one astronaut. And do you know where is he standing? He is standing on the moon. Yes. Do you know what is the meaning of astronaut or what these people they do? Astronauts are the people those who travel to space and they do study over there so that they can come to know what is there beyond our planet Earth. Okay, so here as this astronaut we can see walking on the moon, he is feeling very much lighter. Do you know why? Because moon has less gravity than the earth. And this less gravity moon has because it is smaller than the earth. So astronauts they like walking on the moon because they feel lighter due to lesser gravitational attraction. Yeah, so shall we go to moon? Okay, scholars, you can be astronaut and you can go to space. Yes. So scholars, this is about our video 2. I hope you have understood the gravitational force and magnetic. After watching the video, what you're going to do? You're going to sit, okay, along with your pencil and then you will read page number 115. And after reading this page number, you are going to write words to know in your notebook from textbook page number 121. Before writing words to know, make sure that you have written the new words sent from the school. Okay, scholars, till we meet for our video 3, I want you to read page number 113, 114 and 115 and along with that new words and words to know. Okay scholars, till then take care and bye bye.